Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. We were told that sinners are going to hell. Then I began to wonder and ask myself, who are the sinners? In my own point of view, I feel sinners are generally bad people, the wicked, and the heartless ones. Let's check the meaning of sinner according to the dictionary. Sinner is a person who transgresses against divine law by committing an immoral act or acts. But in Africa, we have been told you can't be a good person and a person of God except you are a Muslim or Christian. In other words, it's either you belong to any of these religions before you can possibly escape hellfire. This is why my people left their heritage and values all in the name of making heaven. You have been given the hope of making heaven. According to the Abrahamic religions, they see sin as anything that goes against the commands of God, a breach of the laws and norms laid down by the religion. They told us that non-payment of tithe is a sin, or not praying to God in a particular language is a sin, and many more. It is time for us as Africans to have a rethink. Let's go back to our ancestral path for us to make reasonable impacts on earth and shun all these lies. Seek for knowledge about our ancestral faith and stop believing what they say to discredit our culture, traditions, and religion. Should you need to learn Ifa online? Watch the video on the flyout right up, or a video at the end screen of this video for more details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.